Welcome y'all to SpacyTracyNails. I have a haul. This is Maniology, some stuff, very recent. So they have everything still there, and I am going to show you what all I have. I've already cut the end of it off so I can get into it really easily. But let's find out what's all in here. Oh, first off, I always forget, thank you guys for coming and for watching my channel. This is a Maniology haul, like I said. Things that they sent me. It's only a few items that they sent. We have, it looks like, oh, and my Maniology discount is SpacyTracy10. So if you're interested in getting a discount, and if there is no discounts, that would be I would very much appreciate it. So, alright, let's just get started with what we have here. And looks like there's 2 plates and some polishes. And that would be with one that's called High Tide and one that's called Morning Dew. So, I think I've told it before, I don't take off my blue film. Hopefully that's okay, but that just keeps me kind of knowing what I have done, what I have not used. And also, well, I kind of caught a cold, so, which I'm sure is not unusual if you've listened to my channel before, but I am trying to get over it, and I sound a little bad. So this won't be a very long video, but I am going to look at these first. These are the plates, because I want to use one of these plates in another video really soon here. So if you've not heard of Maniology, they are in Hawaii, and these are the nice. They always have a cover with them, and this one looks like M495. It is a kind of like a camouflage type of a plate. So, very nice. I like it. They have a couple plates that are kind of similar to this. I think they're Terrazona or whatever. Terrazada, whatever that is. I have probably showed that plate too, but yeah, this is a really neat plate. I really like it. They always have a back on them, and it's got the Maniology on the back as well. And then it also has the directions if you are new to stamping, on how to do stamping. Then we have this one, and it is a M503. If I can get the plate to come out. And this one is a really neat one. I see that it's got the flag type thing. So I think it's more probably, you could use it for 4th of July, Memorial. But I, of course, really like the French manicures over here, and that's what I'm hoping to plan to use very soon. But yeah, I really like them. They're very neat. I like them, and especially how neat they are, wavies, and got that abstract look to them. So definitely a plus. All right, now we have these. Maniology does carry polishes that are not stamping polishes, so, and these are not stamping polishes. Can't get anything open. Let me just open them both real fast. They actually have the has the little like protective seal on there. And this one is set 080. Don't use your nails for tools, or not for tools. Okay, so this is basically going to be 3 of their, this one is called what I said, Morning Dew. So these have reflective glitter in them and also flakies, and they are a jelly. So the first one is called First Light, and it's P161. And it's a jelly. Very nice. Up there on them toppers again. I love these. I love toppers. And then we have Grass Leaf P163. And it's a green jelly. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I really like that. I could actually see that on there. Yeah. And then the last one in this one is Water Droplet, and this is P162. And if they have the P, that means that it's the polish, not a stamping polish. But look at that. There it is. Woohoo! Yes, beautiful. So these are great toppers. Great toppers. Absolutely love them. They're going to be awesome. And then we have the set 082, and this one is High Tide. These are very new. Let's see if they are. There we go. So these are shimmery jellies, and very nice, beautiful shimmery jellies. Okay, so we have P165, and it is Little Fish. And these are shimmers, so they're very great toppers again. Woohoo, look at that. Wow. Loving it. Beautiful. Again, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then this one is Mermaid Towel P167. And woohoo, purple. Purple's my favorite color. So these are beautiful too. I really, really like them. And then we have Kept Forest P166. And let's see. Whew, look at that one. Look at that. Wow, amazing. Okay, well, these will be coming up on my channel. I just am not using them at the moment, but I'm just trying to get this haul done because I have a video coming up with using some stuff in here. So that's 6 polishes. They are jellies and toppers. Definitely, definitely. And hey guys, thank you so much for coming and watching my channel. I do appreciate it. Look forward to you hopefully coming back and visiting me again. If you're new here, I really do appreciate that you are giving me a chance to look at my video. I am trying to grow it, so once I reach 1,000, I'm going to do a giveaway. And it's a little ways away still, but so these are the plates. This is the Incognito, and the other one is the one that I said that's like it's the Star Spangled for the 4th of July type thing is what I was saying, and so there's that one as well. So, but yeah, there you go, guys. Thank you. Hope everybody's having a great day. Hope you enjoy your holiday if you celebrate the 4th. And this is SpacyTracyNails signing off.